Hey everyone, Elise with Dirt Road Dancing here. Today we are gonna learn the dance Hootenanny. Troy, how do you even spell that? To the song Farm Party. If you haven't yet subscribed, definitely do. It'll take you to all the newest and coolest dances, and hit the notification button to keep you notified for more awesome new cool dances. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started with those first set of 8 counts. So I'm gonna face this direction so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we're gonna start this off with that right foot. We're gonna do stomping wizard walks. I'll try not to shake the camera. Okay, we'll start with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So on count 7, you want to make sure that you aim that toe to make a quarter turn to your right. So we're going to do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So you're going to stomp twice with that right foot. Okay, so we just did our double stomp with our right foot. So now we're going to take our left toe and we're gonna do walking hip bumps by transferring the weight from our left into our right. But I'm gonna face this direction so you can see what my feet are doing, but just remember, we're gonna be facing that away. All right, so we just stomped twice with the right, so we're gonna take our left toe, it's gonna go 1 and 2. Then we're gonna take the right for 3 and 4. Then we're gonna rock it back and forth for 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you're gonna end that with a shuffle step. So let's face this direction. We're gonna bump it out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's go ahead and put 2 and 2 together. Take it from the top. Stomp the floor with those wizard walks in 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Bump at 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Rock at 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so we just got done doing our left shuffle. So this is where the fun part comes in, and the rough part, and wall change, all the things. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do Mamba steps, starting with that right foot. So we're gonna take that right, and it's gonna go out and cross, out and cross. So I'll actually do it once facing this way so you can see the weight transfer happen on that right to the left. So it's gonna go right and cross, left and cross. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So when we end, the weight's gonna be on that left. So let's do it this way. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm gonna take my right foot and I'm gonna bring it to the side, and we're gonna slide step facing this direction, and then we're gonna take a slide out with the left, bringing in our right, and then one last slide, clap, and 8. All right, so we're gonna put some counts behind that all through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's go ahead and get to all 24. Turn it around. Here we go, starting with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Bump at 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Mamba 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, our last set of counts. This is the most fun because you get to stomp even more. All right, so we're facing this direction. All of our weight should be on that right foot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that left, it's gonna go toe, heel, stomp, and then same with the right, toe, heel, stomp. So let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we're gonna rock forward with the left for 5, recover 6, take a step back with 7, and slide it to the end for 8. All right, we're gonna put all 32 together. Here we go, I'm gonna turn this direction. Going on into those stomping wizard walks. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Bump it 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide it 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so this dance does have a restart. When you are in that restart, you're gonna be facing this wall and you're gonna do your first 16 counts. We'll then put you into the 6 o'clock wall. If this is your 12 o'clock wall, this is your 6 o'clock wall. So your restart's gonna happen here. And it'll happen when there's the new verse, second verse. All right, so this is what your restart is going to look like. So we just finished our 7, 8 for the slide back. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Bump 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, and restart. All right, now you know the entire dance. So now it's time to stomp it out. Go ahead, click the link here, and I'll see you on the other side.